You know, sometimes you try and do the right thing, you lower your pressure, and then the next day you check your tyre and you think, this doesn't really seem right. So you check the pressure, okay, you'll pump it up again and hope for the best. But then when you get home you realise the next day you got a flat tyre. That's what happened to me, and I found out about 20 minutes before I had to be somewhere, so I had to be really quick, and I thought I'll try and quickly video it. Didn't really have time to do a proper one, so I'll just quickly show you how it works if you've never used one of these before. I used a simple tyre repair kit, and it comes with a few tools, and the one you're seeing at the moment is one of them. It's a tool to make a hole into your tyre, so the hole that's already in there you want to make it bigger so that you can patch it up. And to patch it up you use this really sticky stuff that you put on the end of a, well, what would you call that? A bit hard to describe what it is, but it allows you to push it into the tyre and still pull out the actual tool. So before you actually plug it, you gotta unplug, you gotta make the hole bigger, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm trying to move it around so then I can actually plug it and I'll get a decent seal. Now this was a lot harder than I have had before, because the liquid that is meant to make it easier, I didn't actually have any, so I had to do without. So I actually really struggled because the stuff that you're pushing in is very sticky. So as you can see, I'm using my whole weight trying to push it in. I was starting to get frustrated because I had to be somewhere within the next 10 minutes. So I was not sure if I was going to make that appointment. But I really tried hard, and I eventually got it in, but it felt like I wasn't able to get it in far enough. But I did eventually, so I was happy with that. And this is what you end up with. So all you got to do there is just cut it off, and then you're pretty much good to go. And you definitely need a very sharp knife because it's so sticky. Well, hopefully that will work. And that's pretty much it. All you gotta do is pump up the tyre and you're good to go. I took my pump with me and the kit as well, because I wasn't sure how well the plug was gonna hold, but it did fine in the end, so I was very happy with that. Hopefully this will get me out of trouble. And as always, thank you for joining me on my journey, and I hope to see you on the next one. See ya!